Hello and welcome back to iPhone Made Simple. If you've ever seen a message on your phone saying that a software update is available and wondered whether you should actually install it, you're not alone. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to safely update your iPhone step by step. Nothing we do here will harm your phone. Updates are designed to improve security and performance. So, Section 1. Why updates matter. Software updates often include security improvements, bug fixes, and new features. Apple designs these updates specifically for your iPhone model. Section 2. How to check for an update. So you're going to open Settings, then tap General, then tap Software Update. Your iPhone will basically check if an update is available. Section 3. Installing the update. So you're going to tap Download and Install. Your iPhone may ask for your passcode. So your iPhone may restart during the update. This is completely normal and it's just part of the process. It's best to update when your phone is connected to Wi-Fi and has plenty of battery, normally around 50% or more. Updating your iPhone is one of the easiest ways to keep it secure and running smoothly. I post simple iPhone tips like this each week to make everyday use easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.